Hello everyone. Here I'm going to go through quickly what the projects are for this week for you guys to do. Remember, in addition to the projects, you guys are expected to write 3 small demo lines of code. Just can practically be the stuff I wrote in the example. You'll be good there. And just submitting these projects as well, and that will be it. On top of that, just a few photos and a quick write-up of what you've understood. Make sure to describe pull-up resistors, buttons, LEDs. What is an LED? What is digital pin, analog in? What you learned about coding, variables, functions, the different operators we used, addition, subtraction, modulo. Describe serial connection briefly, if-else statements, how to write them, limiting resistors, so forth, potentiometer. Just a quick write-up of what was covered. And a couple lines of code demonstrating that you understand C. Once again, just one that uses modulo, one that uses an if-else statement, and one of them with just random arithmetic. I covered an example of each in the video. You can copy those and explain them, and that will be good enough. So, for the project, all I want you guys to do is you guys can remake this board or use the same board. It doesn't really matter. And all I want is a circuit where when I click the button, it will turn off and turn on all the LEDs one at a time. And that's it. And that's all the project is. That's the first project for this week. You can go ahead, do it again, and it'll just do it again. There we go. Nice and easy. That's the first project I want you guys to make for this week. Not much to it. Don't forget your limiting resistors and the resistors for everything. Submit a screenshot of your board and your code when you're done. I will not be showing the code, of course. And the second project is I want you guys to make a counter using serial. And what I want you guys to do is have this counter simply go. I'm going to make a notepad. And all I want you guys to do for this, very simply, is every 1 second, just count up and display it to serial on the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. But instead of displaying number 5, I want it to display your name. So in this case, Kevin. 6, 7, 8, 9, Kevin. And it'll just keep on doing this forever. I want this display output to be in serial, and I want every 5 values for your name to be displayed instead of the number. And it would just take up every second, displaying all the values in serial. There we go. And that's about it.